Hi everyone, I want to talk to you about the running repairs workshop that we're very excited that our very own Laura is going to be doing in a couple of weeks' time. So Laura, can you tell us about the running repairs workshop? What's it all about?
Yes, I can. So basically, we're doing a workshop for runners. It's the start of the year. We know lots of you will have maybe decided to take up running. You'll have maybe entered a race, entered a marathon, entered an Ironman, started to do park run, and a lot of you will be wanting to up your training. Now we see loads of people who are trying to up their training or who are trying to start running, and they're just bothered constantly with little niggles, little injuries, little muscles that flare up and make them sore. So this workshop is aimed at you. If you're a runner, if you want to increase your running, if you're injured, if you have a history of injuries, or if you just want to learn how to run efficiently and know what muscle groups need to be strong.
Yeah, so how's the format of the night? What can we expect to do or to see?
So basically it's going to be really, really informal. We're going to get everyone up here in our lovely Pilates studio. I'm going to be talking through a few ideas, a few concepts, and then we're going to be doing loads and loads of practicals. So we're going to be doing some screening, looking at specific muscle groups. So you can work out yourself if there's maybe a weak link in the chain of all the muscles in your leg, or if there's anything that's not quite as strong as it could be, or if it's stiff or immobile or weak. We'll highlight those issues. So there'll be a lot of practical work. There'll be a bit of work with everyone together. We will be talking, but a lot of you involved.
Yeah. Brilliant. So out of the running repairs workshop, are people that come to it, are they going to be equipped to go away and do their own thing, or?
They should have a really good knowledge base after that. They should have a really good idea of what maybe they are lacking in and what they need to work on. If you have particular injuries, you should have an idea of what to be working on. But if there's specific things that you are worried about, you might still need to come and see us specifically for a really more individualised programme, which we are doing in all of one-to-one physio sessions.
Perfect. So when is it?
It is Monday the 27th of this month, 27th of January at 7 o'clock. It's £10. And that's quite soon. Yep. Monday the 29th, 7th.
Brilliant. Well, I'm excited about it. So give us a call on 028 703 59592. Contact us through Facebook or email us. We've only got 10 places, so get in touch quickly. They're going to go fast. And just get yourself sorted now so that you can enjoy your spring and summer injury-free, running further and faster.